Hello, my loves. Welcome. I am TonyaNicole. Welcome, guys. I have missed you all so much. It is unreal. Oh, how y'all doing? I hope everyone is being blessed and staying safe and feeling good. I have been under the weather, but you know, God is good, so we're gonna keep it on moving, boo. Anywho, today, guys, we have Ipsy for the month of December. This is gonna be a very fast unboxing for this New Year's Eve. So if you're interested in seeing what I got in my last Ipsy, stay tuned. Oh, girl, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. You know it's free, right? All right, as I said, guys, I'm TonyaNicole. This is going to be a very fast unboxing. We're doing Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the month of December, and this will be my last unboxing of Ipsy. I do get PR. That box will be coming out, I don't know when, but I will still be unboxing that one, but this is the last purchased Ipsy that I'm going to be getting. So yeah, guys, this is the last box. I'm so sad. I know. Shout out to all of my bomb-ass subscribers that check your girl out, chill with me. I'm so pleased that you guys enjoy me still. I enjoy you all. Now, I do have tomorrow for New Year's, we're gonna be unboxing Provocative and Posh. Girl, wait till y'all see that one. And then later on in the week, or probably next week, I do have a makeup video for you guys to get ready with me. I'm very excited about. Just wait until y'all see that one. But today we got Ipsy, so we're gonna get some specs in and unbox this baby. It's New Year's Eve, guys, almost 2022. What? So here is the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. It's $28 a month. You get 5 full-size products in this bag with a value of around $120. I did have some add-ons in here, so I'm gonna try to separate them so that we know. I'm gonna look it up on the site so I can get some prices. So without further ado, let's get this box on and poppin'. Boo, y'all got a drink? Oh my God, I don't. It's New Year's Eve. Ugh, a dance break and a drink break. I don't want to drink because I'm sick, y'all. All right, so this is the bag for the month of December. A nice little pink, well, peach colored bag with little stars on it. Love it. We do get a card this month, guys. The theme is Time to Shine. And yes, we're just gonna dig right on in. There's no prices in it, but I do have my phone. So let's get started right now. Let's get Ipsy's picks for me first, which y'all know I haven't been pleased with because it's been so much skincare and I keep changing my quiz, but it's not clicking for Ipsy, so I'm not sure what's going on there. But let's start with their products for me. All right, so first up is this bubble wrapped thing here. This is an Ipsy pick for me, and it is from Clarity RX. This is a daily dose of water. It's a hyaluronic acid serum. Hydrating serum. This retails for $72, my loves. Oh my God. You get 1 ounce of product in here, and it says it's a moisture binding lightweight serum that is exceptional for dehydrated dull skin. Its fast absorbing formula instantly boosts moisture levels using hyaluronic acid, which can hold up to many times its weight in water, leaving your complexion feeling soft, supple, and more radiant. $72. Wow. I'm not gonna open this, but I will use it. 1 ounce of product, and that's the first choice for me for Ipsy. Yeah. So the next product that they chose for me was from Kate Somerville. It's the Exfoliate Glow Moisturizing Serum here. I think it's like a cream. Yeah, so you get 50 milliliters of product in here. It has lactic acid, hyaluronic acid, which improves pores and textures while hydrating, smoothing for dewy, refreshed looking skin. I'm not gonna open this because I'm gonna put this in a giveaway for one of you guys, but let me see how much this retails for. This is full-sized, 50 milliliters of product, and it is $70, guys. Wow. So 72 and 70, $140 already. Okay. All right, so here is my first choice item, and it comes from Oma Beauty. This is the Badass Icon matte lipstick in the shade Tracy right here. And this, my loves, retails for $24. And I think it's like a brown shade. I saw the shade, I fell in love with it. This is the packaging. I haven't tried anything from Oma Beauty. Ooh, I'm not sure of where I left off before I got a call, guys, but this is the lipstick here, and it's a brown lipstick. It's beautiful. When I saw it, on Ipsy's choices for me. I had to choose it. I haven't tried anything from Oma Beauty before, but I really like this color. I'm gonna add a little bit. Let's see. Oh yeah. Now I do have on a gloss, but I tell you what, I love this shade. Beautiful. It's like a reddish brown. Love it. And this one is $24, I think I said. Yes. So this is, I love makeup, so this is a good one for me. And then next up, we have these brushes right here from Belle and Argent? Girl, I don't know. But it's a 2-brush set. I'm actually not going to open these because I did unbox these in my PR box, which you guys will see at a later date. But it's 2 makeup brushes and they retail for $62 for 2 brushes. So you get bronzer. No, I'm sorry. Wait, what do you get? I think you get a bronzer brush and a highlighting brush, I think. Let me get my other 2 so I can show you guys. I'll be right back. So these are my 2 that I got in the PR package, and one of them is a blush and highlighter brush right here. It's so nice. I love the way that they feel. And this one is a powder, bronze, and buff brush. So I love the color gray. It's very sleek, very pretty. Love it. $62. Y'all know I wouldn't pay $62, but somebody would. Happy to see them, and I will be gifting these to one of you guys. And last but certainly not least, we have a palette. I did choose this. This is the Shanna B Miami Nights Pressed Pigment Palette right here. Gorgeous packaging. Absolutely love it. Let me look at the price of this one really quick. So this one is $20, guys. And I do like her. Ooh, we get a mirror. Hey girl. I do like the formula of her eyeshadows. Oh my goodness. This is gorgeous. Look at that. This beautiful silver shade here. This beautiful deep brick red. I love that. I love the whole palette, really. You have shimmers, a pressed glitter, some matte shades on the bottom. Beautiful palette, and it's only 20 bucks. Wow. Okay, for 2, 4, 6, 8 shades. Love it, love it, love it. I'm not gonna swatch it because I'm not sure of what I'm gonna do with it yet, but yes, I love this palette. I was glad it was available for me to pick. So that was the last product that I received in December's Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. We're gonna quickly recap and I'm gonna show you guys the add-ons. We got the Exfoliate Cream here, this Oma Beauty lipstick, beautiful brown color, the Shanna B Miami palette here, 2 beautiful brushes here, and this Clarity RX Hyaluronic Acid Serum. So these 5 products right here, and I will put the grand total of all of the products on the bottom of the screen so that you guys can know. We're gonna do my add-ons really quick. We're gonna do final thoughts and we're gonna be done. All right, guys, we're gonna go quickly through these. So I got the Kokie Cosmetics Cover and Conceal Beauty Sponge here, this purple one, as one of my add-ons. I also got this beautiful brush from a Hip Dot. I'm gonna definitely use this as like a highlighting highlighting brush, or like maybe to contour the nose. It's nice and fluffy, beautiful packaging. Love it. I also picked up this little palette from Hip Dot, and this is the outside right there. And when we open it up, ooh, girl, look how beautiful that is. This pressed glitter in the middle, and it feels so nice. I have to swatch them. I have to. Ooh, girl, look at that. Oh, beautiful. I made a good choice with that. And then last but not least, I got the IT Cosmetics CC Cream in Deep. I have been looking at this and wondering if it matches my skin. So I'm going to swatch it because I want to know how deep is IT Cosmetics is Deep. There it is right there. We're gonna put it on my chest right there so we can see. Okay, it's a little bit on the redder side. Can y'all see it? But I may be able to work with that. We're gonna let it dry down just a bit. But while we're doing that, let's do some final thoughts. So my final thoughts on this month's Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. The products that I chose, personally, I I absolutely love the lipstick, the brushes, and the palette. Of course, Ipsy chose 2 skincare products for me. I'm not really mad at this month's bag because I do have at least, I'm gonna use all of the products, but I do love the palette and the lipstick. You can always use brushes, so I am very pleased with that. I'm very pleased with my add-ons. I'm waiting on this to dry down to see. Am I sad that I'm leaving Ipsy? A little bit, but I think Ipsy needs to kind of take a step back and kind of rebrand, look at profiles, use profiles, because at one point Ipsy was on top of it, but they're kind of sort of slacking off, just like Boxy. So I really think that they need to kind of reevaluate and move forward. With that being said, I do have a December Boxy charm that I left at my job. So as soon as I get back to work, I'll unbox that for you guys. But yeah, I thought it was a pretty decent bag for this month. I can't complain about it. Now the prices on these 2 and those brushes, whatever. But overall, I thought it was a pretty decent one. I will miss Ipsy, but I will be unboxing their PR boxes. So we still have a little bit of Ipsy on the channel, right? Yes, I will do BoxyCharm because that will definitely be my last premium box or box period from Boxy unless they send me PR, which I know they won't. But yes, my loves, I hope you enjoyed this video. I have missed you guys. Make sure you check out tomorrow's video, Provocative and Posh. Y'all, I'm telling you, that box is a 10 out of 10. It is amazing. Until next time, guys, I'll talk to you in the comments. Please stay safe and be healthy out there, guys. Love you all. Bye.